gentlemen, boys and girls, please put your hands together for a huge round of applause for our Honorable Chief Guest Ma'am, Miss Monica Bhonwal, on the inaugural ceremony of our Fusion Fest 2024. Let's hear it loud, everybody! We welcome you, ma'am. Good morning, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, where's the energy? Show me some energy, everyone. How's the Josh? How's the Josh, everyone? I would like to see some more. How's the Josh, all the teams? Now I like that energy. That could blow the entire city up. I would also like to welcome Honorable Chairman, sir, and respected Director, sir, to join us for the formal inauguration ceremony of Fusion Fest and Convocation 2024. Huge round of applause, thunderous applause for our respected Chairman, sir, and Director, sir, as well. We welcome you, sir. All right, so good morning, everybody, and I welcome all of you officially to the great, grand, and the glorious Fusion Fest and Convocation 2024. Now, I am Anukriti Govind Sharma, and I am going to be your host over the course of the next 3 days. And on behalf of the entire IMRT Business School family, to, of course, celebrate our glorious past, enjoy the present moment right here, right now, and to also explore the unexplored heights in the even bigger and an even mightier future of IMRT Business School. But before we begin, my dear students, I have to tell you something. The Fusion Fest of IMRT Business School has been a roaring success year after year. I mean, I can ask my students here, last year, when the Fusion Fest was held, must I say, it was a rocking, massive, terrific success, and we here at IMRT Business School believe in upholding our traditions, and we definitely intend to make our Fusion Fest 2024 much bigger, much better, and a humongous success. Now, my dear students, over the course of the next 3 days, all these academic, literary, sports, and cultural activities are going to provide you with ample opportunities to mix and mingle, share your knowledge and insights with each other, and of course, have loads and loads and loads and loads of fun with each other. And on that note, on behalf of IMRT Business School, I welcome all of you to this great grand campus for the celebration of Fusion Fest 2024. Now, being the host for this ceremony, before I proceed to the formal proceedings of our inauguration, I have to take a small moment to thank all of you, our dear students. We are so thankful and so grateful for all our students here who have been working wholeheartedly and tirelessly to put together this amazing plethora of mesmerizing and engaging activities to make our Fusion Fest 2024 a humongous success. And for that, the whole family of IMRT Business School is extremely thankful towards all of you. Now, in order to give a formal touch to our special event today, we are highly honored and privileged to introduce to you our chief guest for our grand opening ceremony. She is a successful entrepreneur and an advocate for social causes, especially for women's empowerment. Armed with a positive self-attitude and self-confidence, she is the epitome of personal development. From social work, education, sports to charity, there has been no field left unexplored by her, and indeed, She's a powerful and a charismatic leader and an inspirational figure for all of us here at IMRT Business School. Ladies and gentlemen, with a thunderous applause, let's welcome Miss Monica Bhonwal, ma'am. Everybody!
We are having special guest, Dr. Kritika from National PG College and Mr. Gaurav Srivastava, CEO, Innosoul Private Limited. Mr. Gaurav Srivastava, as judges of our academic events.
We also have our special guests who've joined us today. We have Dr. Kritika joining us. Round of applause for Dr. Kritika. And Mr. Gaurav Srivastava ji, who will be joining us not just as special guests, but our judges for our events as well. Now, I would like to request Honorable Chairman, sir, to do the honors for the bouquet presentation to our chief guest, ma'am. Honorable Chairman, sir, may I request you to present the bouquet to our chief guest, ma'am. This bouquet is a small token of appreciation to express our gratitude to ma'am. Ma'am took the time out to join us today and to boost the morale and the enthusiasm of our students. Thank you so much, ma'am. It is also my utmost delight to introduce to all of you our Honorable Chairman, sir, an aspirational figure for all of us. We have with us today Shri D.R. Bansal, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it loud for our one and only Honorable Chairman, sir. We are also joined by our director, sir, Mr. Sunil Kumar Srivastava ji, who has always been a role model and a source of inspiration to all our students. Now, to do the honors and to felicitate our Honorable Chairman, sir, and our Director, sir, we are joined today by our Academic Coordinator, Mr. Yashasvi Bhargav ji. I would request Mr. Yashasvi to kindly do the honors and present the bouquets to our Chairman, sir. And to our respected Director, sir. On that note, I would now like to call upon our chief guest, Ms. Monica Bhonwal, ma'am, to come to the podium and further boost the enthusiasm of our students with her words of insight and wisdom. We welcome you, ma'am. Huge round of applause for ma'am.
Good morning to one and all. Because I can see it's so hot here. और आप सबको देख के मुझे भी कुछ स्पोर्ट्स की एक्टिविटी का मन कर रहा है बिकॉज आई हैव बीन इनटू स्पोर्ट्स. बहुत ही इंथुजियास्टिक सब पार्टिसिपेंट्स लग रहे हैं. आईएमआरटी टीम है, दूसरी टीम्स हैं और क्योंकि गर्मी इतनी है और आप लोग को काफ़ी देर जैसे मुझे पता चला इंतज़ार करना पड़ा है, तो मैं आप लोग का ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लूँगी. मैं इतना कहूँगी कि हम जो भी कुछ करें अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने के लिए करें, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग से करें, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड से करें और हमेशा एक गोल बनाएं कि लाइफ में हमें करना क्या है. अगर हमें स्पोर्ट्समैन बनना है तो हमें फिर कहाँ तक पहुँचना है वो पहले से हम एम कर लें मन में, ताकि हमें पता है कि हमें वहाँ तक पहुँचना है. अगर हमें आईएमआरटी आना है तो हम सब लोग आईएमआरटी का रास्ता देखेंगे, अगर हमें कुछ और करना है तो हम वहाँ का रास्ता देखेंगे. तो इसी तरह से जब भी हमें लाइफ में कुछ अचीव करना है तो हमें उसका गोल फिक्स कर लेना चाहिए और उसी डायरेक्शन में चलना चाहिए. ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लूँगी मैं आपका. मैं बहुत कुछ सोच के आई थी कि बहुत अच्छा बच्चों को इनकरेज करने के लिए बोलूँगी, लेकिन मौसम गर्मी और आप लोग का इंतज़ाम देख के ऐसे लग रहा है कि आप लोग तुरंत अपना मैच शुरू करिए. तो मैं मिस्टर बंसल को, आईएमआरटी फैमिली को बहुत बहुत थैंक्स कहना चाहती हूँ कि मुझे आपने ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि इस माहौल में मुझे दोबारा आने का मौका मिला और अक्सर आने का मौका मिलता है एंड आगे भी आने का मौका मिलेगा. इसके लिए मैं डेफिनेटली लुक फॉरवर्ड करूँगी. सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट टीम एमआरटी एंड ऑल पार्टिसिपेशन.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words of encouragement. And now, before we commence with the official proceedings of the day, we have a countdown along with the release of the balloons. Am I right? So students, I want all of you to join me in this countdown from 10 to 1. Are you all set? and we release a balloon which is symbolic and signifies the inauguration of our fest today. On the count of 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, everyone. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and a 5, 4, 3, 2, and a 1, everybody. Boys and girls, we now declare the Fusion Fest 2024 officially open to all. Participate and compete in all the varieties of events. And of course, don't forget to have a lot of fun along the way. All the best to all the teams. All right, to request our Honorable Chairman, sir, to perform the ribbon cutting for the volleyball match. Am I right, ma'am? Requesting our Honorable Chairman, sir, to join us and do the honors for the ribbon cutting for the volleyball match. Sir shall be joined by our respected director, sir, as well. And we are absolutely thrilled and excited to announce the opening of the volleyball match. Huge round of applause, everybody. Thank you so much, Chairman, sir, for doing the honors for us and our students. And I'm sure our volleyball match teams are all set and all excited to rock the whole game, and may the best team win. All the best to all our dear students.